Maharashtra, the second most industrialized state in India, contributes 20% of the Indian industrial output. Akshay Fasteners, a Pune-based company, has a vision for a revolution of the Indian factories. Our clean and well-developed infrastructure is located at Bhosari, Pune. Visit our organization to witness an eco-friendly infrastructure, knowledgeable and experienced employees who are always keen to serve our clients, the good and safe working environment for our employees, modern technology, well-maintained and vast area. The best thing about Akshay Fasteners is that we have always been appreciated by our visitors for our top-notch and clean organization. We keep a regular check on our machines to execute smooth operations. Our in-house design and production team can produce customized sized welding studs. Founded in 2005.
मी रघुनाथ तापकीर ह्या कंपनीची सुरुवात मी 2005 साली केली. त्याआधी मी 12 वर्षच दुसऱ्या फॅक्टरीमध्ये सर्व्हिस केली. 12 वर्ष सर्व्हिस केल्यानंतर काही कारणास्तव मला नोकरी सोडावी लागली आणि त्यानंतर परत नोकरी करायचंच नाही ही एक मनाशी एक ठाम प्रतिज्ञा केली. त्यानंतर करायचं काय हा मोठा प्रश्न होता. परंतु 12 वर्षाचं जे माझं सर्व्हिसचं एक अनुभव होता, मग त्या अनुभवाच्या जोरावरती आपण तोच मार्ग पुढे न्यायचा म्हणून फास्टनर्स इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये आलो. मग फास्टनर इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये त्यावेळेला भांडवलाचे प्रॉब्लेम्स, मग आमच्याच एक फॅमिली रिलेशनमधून एकाने 1 लाख रुपयाचं मदत केला आणि त्या 1 लाखावरती 2005 साली मी इंडस्ट्री चालू केली. फक्त 10 बाय 10च्या शॉपमध्ये जी सुरुवात केली ती आज 20,000 स्क्वेअर फूटमध्ये एक मोठा सागर म्हणून एक उभी राहिली. आज इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये अक्षय फास्टनर हे एक अग्रगण्य कंपनी म्हणून ओळखली जाते आणि भारतातील स्टड वेल्डिंग कंपन्यांमध्ये एक नामांकित कंपनी म्हणून ओळखली जाते. आज कंपनीमध्ये 30 ते 35 लोक काम करतात आणि त्यांचे कुटुंब ह्या कंपनीवरती आहेत याचा मला अभिमान वाटतो आणि यापुढेही ही कंपनी अशीच त्यांच्या कामाच्या जोरावरती आम्ही पुढे नेऊ.
Akshay Fasteners has come a long way in manufacturing, exporting and supplying various stud welding machines, perfect for the latest machinery in your factory. The young and talented Mr. Akshay Raghunath Tapkir is involved in the marketing department.
We are an established brand in stud welding industry from last 17 years. We are primed by the strength of our leading efficient manufacturing systems and state-of-the-art infrastructure. We are among the leading player in stud welding industry, which is preferred by the leading brands from automobile industries, mechanical industries and other civil industry. Our manufacturing skills and strict quality controls, like we produce this type of weldable fasteners. For that we will take 2 to 3 type of quality test. Like for a visual inspection, we look for the circular formation of the rings which are formed around the stud. This can check by visually. Second test we can take like bend test. We are committed to our customer to providing high quality product within the time.
He holds high values and thoughts to take Akshay Fasteners to the next level of success. He is influenced and inspired by his father. Akshay Fasteners has been running for more than 17 years now because of the joint labor of all the members. Our product includes stud welding machine, CD welding studs, ARC studs, internal and coarse threaded studs, stud welding collets, welding guns with or without cables and ceramic ferrules. Our expert team consists of engineers, technicians, R&D personnel, quality controllers, sales, warehouse personnel and marketing executives. We supply products made from steel, copper, aluminium, alloy and brass among others. We go through a strong quality check and use the latest technologies for manufacturing. Mrs. Meena, our sales advisor, helps us to connect with our clients personally and understand their demands.
I'm looking after sales of weld studs, stud welding machines, and we provide quotations as per our customer requirements through mail and phone enquiries also.
After going through strong quality check, experts in the packaging department will ensure that our products are packed properly without the chance of being damaged. The strong quality check ensures that we manufacture and deliver products that adhere to international standards. The logistics department of Akshay Fasteners transports and distributes our products globally. Be safe and fasten up safely with Akshay Fasteners.